Alright, so I'm going to teach you how to play Over the Waterfall. So, first of all, it sounds like this. Alright, so the first part starts like this. And keep in mind, there's a million different ways to phrase that, depending on who you're listening to, how fancy it is. Do it different each time, but oop, that should have been. So here it is again. Then the next part is. So D, E, F sharp, A, G, F sharp, E, D. So everything so far. And sometimes I'll end that on F sharp instead of D, or you can do them both. Or all possibilities. Then the second part starts the phrase again. So then you got second string, first finger. Open A. B, C, C. A lot of times I'll do just a little different. I did that, I think, going through it, so just to show you that. But I don't want to throw too many options in there to make it confusing, so. Then again. The second part goes F sharp, F sharp, G, A, B, B, A, B, A, G, F sharp. So it's. Here it is again. more time. Okay, then it goes. So F sharp, G, open A, D. Keep in mind you don't want to pull your fingers way away, but sometimes I'll do it to make it easier for you to see it. So that goes to C sharp, F sharp, G, A, D, C sharp, C sharp, D, D. You play an F sharp, first finger, first string, first finger, second fret. So it's. There's a bunch of different ways you can do this. You can either go just a fiddle shuffle. For those of you who don't know, fiddle shuffle is usually that da 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 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and or 1 and a 2 and a, depending on the tempo. But yeah, so it's down, up, down, da 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 da. I do that sometimes too. That A back to the F sharp. Yeah, so it's oh, now I can't remember it. So that's the same. A, B, A, G, F sharp. F sharp, G, open A. And then, I'm not sure how this is normally done. I do it with a little trill. So it's E to F sharp, C sharp, which is the 4th string, 6th fret, and then 3rd string open. So you do each part twice. Typical A, B, A, fiddle tune form. As always, no charge for mistakes. So anyway, that whole tune is. I did some things differently than I showed it to you there. There's a million and one variations, and it's harder to try to restrict them. But the way I showed it to you is pretty much the basic main way that it's played, or at least that I play it. I think the way that it's normally played. And then there's lots of drones, open strings, different things you can do. I have lots of open strings drone. Maybe I'll talk more about that in the next one. But I don't want to make this too long, so I hope it helps, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.